The Mayan calendar says that the world ends on the 21st. It means that we are going to have a different biology, a different neurology. We are going to be different because the brain is going to function differently. Time and space will function very differently. It's all happening because it was meant to happen. The world is changing. This is the end of the world. The midbrain is our only solution. The midbrain is going to give us a different life. What is going to happen to the brain? How are we going to be different? I'm going to present the neurology of the golden age. Neocortex is going to be purified. The midbrain is going to be active. Whenever it becomes active, miracles will be every day happening. You will be able to do miracle as a human being because you will be acting from a zone which is different from the time and space that we have known. They will be, in fact, under your control. Astral travel will be very easy. The biology will also become very different. The world is not non-different from us. We are part of this universe. This is indeed the future of our human race. Just think about it. A life without limitation, a life without diseases, a life without suffering, pain, a life without aging and nursing home and then dying. Prepare yourself. If you prepare yourself, the benefits that you will get will be tremendous. Will be a recognition of something extraordinary that can come and change everything.